The second group box here is labeled Ranging. The first three parameters provide the information about the sensor lower limit, sensor upper limit and the minimum span allowed between the upper and lower range values. The next two parameters can be used to set the upper range value and lower range value respectively. Refer to section 3.2.2. In the IM. The details are under Rerange with a DCS only. This allows the user to change the values of the analog 4 to 20 mA points independently without a pressure input. Currently the transmitter is configured from £0 per square inch to £2,000 per square inch. Let us say we want to turn this down to 0 to £1,000 per square inch. Simply click on the URV and type the desired value. We will type in £1,000 per square inch. No need to change the LRV as we want it still to be at £0 per square inch. Click on the Send button to send the value to the device. We can verify the change on the Process Variables menu. The range values will reflect the new value and also the pressure analog gauge limits will change accordingly. So if you want to rearrange the transmitter, we can go directly to Basic Setup page and enter the values. This method does not need an actual pressure input. Notice that the minimum span value is £200 per square inch. This means the transmitter can achieve 10 to 1 turn-down ratio. What this means is, we can change the values of the upper range value and lower range to be as close as £200 per square inch. We can set a 0 to £2,000 per square inch transmitter to 0 to £200 per square inch or a £500 to £700 per square inch. The transmitter will throw an error if the minimum span is not maintained. If we set the upper range value to 700 and the lower range value to £500 per square inch, it will allow these values. But if take the range further below, for example, if we try to write the upper range value to £699 per square inch and send this value to the transmitter will issue a warning message saying it is an invalid span.